Welcome to your 1750 controller. Today we're going to show you how to set up your recipes. Your system, if you purchased recipes with it and recipes are enabled, you will have recipes up here in the top. You can click on that to select what recipe is active. In order to enable recipes, in case you had not, you would go to the 1750 icon up here. This serial number will tell you, your spray specialist, what they need to know in order to give you the appropriate code. And then back here we have our gear icon. We'll click on that. Recipes here is where you would go to change recipes. Initially, to set it up in case you don't have it, you click Users. At the bottom of the screen, you would then enter your code. Once that's in there, you see recipes unlocked right up here. And then now you know you have recipes enabled. Let's go back one, and in our gear icon we now have recipes located here. This is how you know recipes are definitely activated. We'll click on that, and in here we have our general, timing, and set point. Under General tab is the name of the recipe and any description you have. You click on this pencil icon to edit, and the recipe can then be named whatever you choose. Then underneath you have a description. If you need a little bit more detail about the recipe and what it is, you can enter that here. Then you can simply select the recipe in the drop-down box. So here we have recipe 1. I could easily select recipe 3 and so on. Let's go back to the recipe 1. You can now see we have timing. In here, we set our timing according to the settings of whatever we need for that particular part. And then the set point here. So our duty cycle that we may set to 100% or 50% or whatever it may need to be. Then we can click on the pencil icon to make those edits. Once you're all done and you have all the settings for your recipe, you're going to click on Apply, and it's going to save all of those and record those into the settings.